Kaya huwag kang magtanong kung anong confidential ginawa ko. Confidential nga eh.
Para dun sa peace and order, yun po ay confidential and intelligence fund. So gusto po nating ma-confirm lang, dahil po nalaman natin meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
Sir, sandali. Medyo papahingayin mo lang ako ng...
1 minute suspension.
Kaya tinawag yan, sir, ng intelligence pati confidential. Kaya huwag kang magtanong kung anong confidential ginawa ko. Confidential nga eh. I am protecting the interest of the Republic when I dispense confidential funds to the military and the police. Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. I am prohibited from doing it. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Hindi ka naman COA. Hindi kita sagutin ng tama kasi wala rin akong alam. COA, kailangan mo ng report, so you have to bring the papers. You're asking questions that are pertaining to COA. Ano? Hindi naman ako COA. Mayor ako tapos presidente. Ano man?